Hey Karen, I look at all these rings that I found that I made with the same technique that I made this metal clay technique that I think will all go beautifully with this pendant set. I'm going to zoom in so you can see them together. And let's see, what shall I do here? First we'll look at this gallery setting with the pendant set. And I need to hold the flashlight so you can see all the beautiful opal fire. This is this one gallery ring that I have. I'd have to size it up for you. Look at the colors in this beautiful opal. That's a gem grade opal in this particular ring. So it's not 160, it's 200 more than that, because this is a gem grade opal rather than a AAA grade opal. You can see all the color in that one. And here it is next to, oops, sorry, got my light in the way there. Let's see, what happens if I hold the light down here? Is that too far away for you to see? If you like them together, I think they look beautiful together. The opals look beautiful. Here, I'll hold it up closer to the camera. I need 4 hands here. So here's the pendant set. Turn this guy around. And needs more light. Let's see. You can see that the opals have a lot more color than they do in the still pictures. And here is the gallery ring next to it. How's that? With the gem grade opal. I can also make you one of these with the AAA grade opal, which would only be 160 is the price, which is a really, really, really good deal for that opal and that ring. Normally they're $300 and something. But I wanted to have a ring in the shop that I could sell for less. So that's what that looks like. And let's see, how am I going to do this? I think I will put this down and then I will hold up the different rings for you with the light. Okay, this one is made with the metal clay style. Has a gem grade opal in it. And let's see if I can get this in the light correctly. This one, see how the metal is a similar, organic texture rather than just smooth, like the gallery setting is made from, like I said, on a computer. And so it's a very smooth technique, which I think looks great with that pendant. But this is more of an organic texture to it, just like the necklace has a texture to it. And actually this looks like a AAA grade opal in here. It's beautiful, but doesn't have as much fire as a gem grade. So this one wouldn't be as expensive as with a gem grade. And it's a lovely ring. So that's that one. This one is beautiful. It has leaves climbing up the side of the shank, it's called. And a beautiful opal in here. If I can get the light on it right, you're going to see it's one of my favorite opals. It's a gem grade opal. And it's got incredible fire and just the right angle. See if I can get that to show up. There, you can see it now. Beautiful. And that one with these, let's see, sort of holding it away from the light there. That one with these looks like that. And then I have this one, which has a smaller opal in it. Same idea as the first one I showed you. Beautiful opal. So the opal is a little bit more similar in size, although it's a little bigger than the ones in the pendant. But it has that same organic texture. And I can size this one up for you. And I thought this one with the big, large opal, 14 by 10 opal, that's a AAA grade opal, would be interesting with this. See how it's got an organic-y texture. Get my hand out of the light source there. That one. It's a 14 by 10 millimeter opal. This one is similar to the first one, but it doesn't have gemstones on the shank. Just has a gemstone on the top. It's a beauty. It's a real beauty. Love that one. Definitely gem grade. And this one is just for fun. I just made this ring. I think it's going to be too much and too big for you, but you know, too much of a ring. I didn't want something so big, but it's real pretty. I just made it. I thought you might want to see it. And this one is interesting. It's got texture all the way around it. See if we can get that in focus. And that one looks like that on the finger. That's interesting together. I like that, I like the shape of them. This one has an opal in the middle and then moonstones there. And it's got a fantastic opal, gem grade opal. And some little flowers right here on the bezel. And it was also made with metal clay. Beautiful. That's a 14 by 10 millimeter opal. This one has sort of a Celtic, I put sort of like a Celtic design on the edge of the ring. It's made with metal clay as well. And that flowered bezel. If you look at the bezel, I can't really get it close enough. You can see around here, around the stone, there's little flowers and leaves. There you go. If I get it too close to the camera, it goes out of focus here. And this one also has some filigree. I know you liked the filigree. In the shank here, I put some filigree in this beautiful bezel with design on it. This is a great ring. I love this ring. And that is a 12 by 10 gem grade opal, I believe. These are all in the 300 something range. These rings, 325, somewhere around there. I'll have to weigh them, and then I get the price from the weight. Those look great together. And that's it. And the last one again is the gallery ring that you liked. And I think the opals match so well. I think it looks great together. All right, I will upload this video so you can see it. And we will chat online.